it's Rayla. Today we're evacuating our city because there's supposed to be a hurricane, so we had to leave. Hey y'all, so we made it to Dallas and we are currently at our aunt's house doing some homework. It's crazy how they're still making us do homework and they have two hurricanes. Well, one of the hurricanes died, so that's the term Mama used. And this is our cousin Kylie. Hello. She's being shy, but she's not shy at all. Yeah, so right now we're just doing homework, trying to get some things done because we still have to turn stuff in. So, yeah, we'll see y'all in a few. We just finished our schoolwork. We are still currently at our nanny's house. My little cousin's looking at me through the camera. Okay, so right now, I'm actually tired. I'm so sleepy. I want to go take a nap. Rayla's still doing some work because she was doing the wrong thing at first. We just got off of a Zoom meeting with our college professor for class, and yeah. So now I'm tired. I just want to sleep. I probably want to eat something, but I don't know what I want to eat. By the way, it is the next day. Yeah, we didn't vlog last night because we were tired, and as soon as we got to the hotel, we went straight to sleep. So, yeah, that happened. So, yeah, right now we're at Kroger. We're about to go in here to get some stuff to cook because our grandma there is cooking. And, yeah. So, we're not going to film inside the store because some people are funny about that. So, we'll see y'all after we leave. Hi guys, we're now out the store and on our way to our aunt's house right now. If we can figure out where we're going. But I'll see y'all in a few when we get there, probably. Hey y'all, so right now we're on our way to Target, maybe Dillard's. We don't know, and we still haven't showed y'all the room because we went straight to sleep again. And it's a mess.
I might be there tonight.
Yeah, she might spend the night with us tonight. So yeah, we'll see y'all when we get to Target. Hey y'all, we're at Target now. We're gonna try to film in there, but if we do, it's gonna be like very short and very little. Hee hee hee. Hey y'all, so right now we're looking around trying to find our mother. We don't know where she at. Let's try to find some coconut oil, but I think it's gonna be cheaper at Walmart. Yeah.
Yep, definitely gonna be cheaper at Walmart. Walmart's way less exclusive.
Right now we're walking towards the technology because it's a chance that she might be over here.
A little small-ish chance.
Yeah, smaller chance.
How much do Apple Watches cost?
Girl, I don't know. They're having different prices now.
Hi guys, it's Rayla. We left the mall and now we're on our Target. Now we're on our way to Kroger to get some ice cream. Sorry we didn't vlog in the mall. Yeah, but we'll see you guys in a little bit. I thought he was gonna fall. He always be falling though. That's why I thought that. Look at that skinny twig down there through the camera. Why? Yeah. Okay, guys. Right now, we're in a hotel. We're going back to the room, and we just got towels. Good morning, guys. We're now on our way to the mall. It's another day, and I guess we're going shopping. When they go shopping, they don't pick nothing up. Sometimes.
I need to go to the
That's so-called shopping. Whatever. Shopping. Yeah. We'll see you guys in a few. This is where my grandmother has one of her timeshare spots in Conroe. She's just showing us around because we've never been here. Right here. Those houses are huge. Hey guys, guess what? You can't. So we've been home for a few days now. We had to clean up, take everything off the high shelves. Don't mind our hair. Yeah, we did a blowout yesterday so we could trim it. So it's looking kind of crusty and it's not completely straight, but it's even. Yeah, so that's all that matters. So yeah, we're gonna end this vlog right here. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!